Hey, what's going on, y'all? So, real quick, I wanted to reply to a comment that I got a few days ago. And it's about a subject that I already wanted to talk about. And with the comment, it just made me realize that this might be an issue or a subject that needs to be addressed. And the Denario pretty much says, y'all dudes give advice for women, older women. These bros born after 2000 don't give about what y'all talking about. And I think he's right. Because these young ladies, the younger ladies, they're different. They're different from what I'm used to dealing with. I've always said that the masculine in me is attracted to the femininity of a woman, the softness, the kindness, the gentleness, right? But these young ladies, from what I see, because I'm not really dealing with them in a relationship, but from what I see, they're aggressive, they're argumentative, they're confrontational. I used to work at this place, and this dude, I seen this dude on the phone, and he had this the look of this depression, like his whole demeanor was off. And he looks up at me and he says, man, all she want to do is argue. Then he goes back on the phone and is just listening to her, I guess, scream on him, right? Another dude on the same job came to me and was like, man, what do you do if your girl just want to argue all the time? And I didn't know what to tell him, because I've been in a relationship for I've been married to my wife for 25 years, and we've never had a shouting match. We've never had a shouting match or a fight. We've had disagreements. I've been pissed off at her. She's been pissed off at me, and I wanted to choke her out a few times. But we've never had a fight. So it's maybe I'm the wrong dude to give advice for this situation, but it's still an issue that needs to be addressed. So I used to say that what's happening is masculinity is being removed from the society. But I don't think it's being removed. It's being transferred. Where, we used to be the leaders of the world. You know what I'm saying? For centuries, men have been the rulers or the leaders of the world, while women play the back seat. I think that karma is playing its goal, where we abuse that power that we had. And now karma is saying, okay, now it's the ladies' turn. So my question to y'all, and I need y'all help on this, is this an issue that we can fix? Is because for me, man, if a chick is yelling at me, man, I snap, it gets under my blood. I'm gonna hit you. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hit you, right? And so my advice that I would give to the young men who going through this, and I can't believe I'm saying this to a dude, but get out of that relationship, man. If she's screaming on you, it's not healthy. It's not a healthy relationship at all. Because what's going to happen is you're going to hit her, and then you're going to end up going to jail. Or if you don't go to jail, she's going to revert back to that nice, quiet girl that she is and go cry to her dad or her brothers or her uncle, and now you got to deal with them. And it's a whole nother situation. So I'm asking y'all, is this something that can be fixed? I'd love to hear what y'all say in the comments, man. I got some more to say on this, and I probably will in the future. Y'all be safe, man. Be safe. Say she never called me again. And 10 minutes later, my phone get a ring. Ain't nothing perfect in this thing.